In our ongoing series of building the AR-15, we're now going to take a look at the buttstock, and there's lots of different options available, lots of different parts that are related to the stocks, and in this series we're going to go through and take a look at some of those. So we'll put the camera on a tripod and we'll take a closer look at stock options for the AR-15. So we talked about the rifle a little bit, but then really we need to talk about some of the components. And again, we'll go over them. Basically, we have the receiver extension that the spring is going to fit down into, and then we have the buffer, which will ride between the bolt carrier and the spring. Then we're going to have our stock, and however we attach the stock for a rifle. So this would be a rifle setup, a rifle buffer, a rifle spring, a rifle receiver extension, rifle stock. If we do the same piece by piece with a carbine length, we're going to have to choose between either a 2 position, a 4 position, or a 6 position receiver extension. And when we talk about that, you can see that there's 2 holes in the 2 position, of course, 4 holes in the 4 position, and ironically 6 holes in the 6 position. So we've got our receiver extension, and we're going to insert our stock. Now to adjust the stock, you push up on this little lever, but to install it, you pull down, and you can see that this spring-loaded pin is going to be extended quite a bit more when you pull down, and just a little bit when you push up. So we're going to pull down on that thing, which will allow us to push the stock over the receiver extension, and now we'll have the 1, 2 positions on this receiver extension, or now we'll check out the 6 position receiver extension with this Voltar stock, and again we're going to push down to let it install. Release the tension, now push up to change position. We've got the closed position, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can't catch the other 2 with this one. So that's the different positions are where this pin is going to connect with those holes. So hopefully you found this review interesting, entertaining, and hopefully worthwhile to save you some money on a future build. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns and what you may want to see in future videos. As always, thanks for watching. We'd like to thank again our friends at Tucson Guns who encourage us to make these buyer's guides and give us some of the resources to do so. They definitely know their stuff about AR-15s, so if you're building an AR-15 or if you need parts, give them a call. Thanks again for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.